Open the dishwasher door with a gentle push. 6 washing programs and 3 additional functions optimized to clean all your items safely and quickly. You can select a suitable program or additional function according to the type of utensils and type of soiling. You can also press the info button for detailed information on a specific function or option. Begin by removing large particles and excessive grease. Load dishes into the baskets so that the insides of bowls, pots and pans face downwards. For optimal drying results, add liquid rinse aid into the dispenser until it's filled. Be sure not to overfill. To add detergent, open the dispenser and pour. For best results, use powdered dishwashing detergent. Add salt into the dispenser in the base for water softening. The salt can be adjusted on water hardness value. Press start and close the dishwasher to begin. The remaining program time is directly displayed on the floor. The childproof lock protects children from potential hazards. To activate, press the info button for 3 seconds and switch on the childproof lock. For more information, please read the manual book.